What's up, everyone? Today we're on Stake US. Got a little over 200 in the balance. Today I think I'm going to be spamming some the Doghouse Megaway raining buys. I've only ever done sticky buys. I think the most I've ever got was like a 1000x, and I've done a lot of sticky buys. But when you look at this screen here, I don't really think you can get that in sticky. That does not look like a sticky screen to me. So I think the only way to get these screens that they're showing here is through a raining buy. So we're going to spam some buys today and see how it goes. I got a friend of mine in Discord, so yeah, let's get into it. First, I think honestly, since we got a little over 200, I kind of want to do a little feature spin on this.
New stuff?
Yeah, see what it does. A little feature spin.
Okay.
I'm expecting it to go horrible, but hey, you never know. Okay, that's fucking awful. Alright, thank you for that. Hey guys, real quick, if you're interested in checking out Stake US and you want to get your rake back unlocked instantly, go ahead and use that link in the description. It'll unlock your rake back. You'll be good to go, and you'll be helping out the channel a whole lot. So thanks. Yeah, let's get back to the video. Okay. Alright, I think I'm going to start off here with a 20. Just to see how the game's feeling today.
Okay. Typical 3?
Yeah, I think this whole video is going to be 3 scatters.
Nah, bro. Gonna hit the 5, 6.
Yeah, never. Just give me one of them screens that you have on the beginning and we'll be chilling.
Keep these houses going.
Okay.
2.
Oh.
Okay, fuck. Well, now 3, 4.
Yeah, I mean, this is, you know, going like a sticky buy would, I feel like.
Yeah, true. True, but at least it's throwing them out there.
Yeah, it ain't connected.
Just gotta connect it. Come on, 2.
In the middle? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Pink.
Okay.
Something.
Yeah, something back.
Small save.
Yeah, 50x. I mean, this bonus, you just get so many more spins, man. It's nice.
Yeah, it's true. But they have those, bro. They're just dry. Oh my god, I thought blue dog.
Oh, dude. Okay.
You could do it again.
Honestly, I'd rather it pop on a bigger buy, to be honest.
True.
Dude,
My god.
Dogs.
Dude.
Alright, let's go with a 40.
Hey, the racetrack.
Yeah, let's see if it... Oh, wow.
Yes.
I accidentally hit the back button. My mouse. Okay, I already knew
Hey, well,
it was
that's
3. One day I'll get more than 3 scatters.
Good makeaways, good houses.
Yeah, like the megaways you can get on this is insane. Oh, pink dogs. Come on,
Put them all in there.
you have to stop.
Right. Come on now, wake up. Last 5.
Yeah, it is pretty rough when they're all dead spins.
Oh, wake up a lot. Yeah, yeah.
Come on, put it
wake
in
up
there.
here.
Oh,
Blue dog, blue dog. Yeah, that's the only reason I like. Oh, come on. Well, I like sticky because I get that second and third reel no matter what.
Almost.
What?
Not all the time.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Alright. 50x? No, not even.
No, that was a 40. Yeah, that was
40. Okay.
25.
Yeah, that was even worse.
Okay.
Come on. Come on, Doghouse. 3 scatters all day, man. Come on. Just give me that start screen. Blue dogs, lots of multis. 117,000 megaways, I think is what it is.
Right.
Come on, keep going. Damn. Dude, what is... Oh, dude, he kept going with the pink dogs, man.
Put them, cover up the reels here. One little banger on a $60.
Man, this is horrible.
Yeah, I need more than one house.
I don't know, my
Yeah,
theory here, I'm
here.
starting to question my theory on these raining. Because this is really bad.
Yeah, when they just don't show up.
Man.
Yeah, that one's brutal.
I'll go with another 40. Man, give me something more than 3 scatters.
One of those screens right there with houses everywhere. My 3 X's. Fill in the middle.
Nothing.
Come on, right here. Good start.
Yeah,
good
come
start.
on.
Second
Looking
reel.
okay.
Second
Come
reel.
on,
Last
reel.
reel.
Pugs?
Are pugs all the way?
Oh.
Run that back.
Keep going, keep going. Man, give me collars in the front.
One good spin, Doghouse. Load it all up. Bunch of 3s. On, man.
Yeah, this is brutal.
Gotta do better. Go all the way.
Come on, keep going. Keep going.
Oh,
Oh,
no!
you kidding me, Doghouse? Come on, man. What was that screen? Alright, do we go all in here? What do you think?
Dude, I think that it's... I am not sure right now. Yeah, it's none of them have paid. You've done raining on all of them. And not a single 100x or better.
Come on, 3 scatters all the time. Alright, let's go. Come on.
Come on, raining. One time for the one time. Just one time.
Come
One
on, pick
time for
something
the
in
one
middle
time.
there. Oh, blue dog. Oh, anything, man. Come on.
Just fill it up. $80 buy, speed comeback. Put it on second. Second.
Oh, aces.
Oh,
Okay.
aces.
Oh,
More.
Yeah, that's something.
Okay. Okay. Do that again 3-4 more times.
Yeah. But bigger.
Come on, bring it back. Comeback of the century. $80 buy here.
Come on.
Throw some more in there. Okay. Keep the houses coming. You didn't connect yet.
Dogs,
Ooh, that would have been good. Put some threes.
Come on,
Put some threes.
Come on.
Put some threes. Connect it, pugs.
Man.
Those are what we need right there, threes. More than that. Come on.
Man.
Profit one, bro. Let us see
Yeah,
it.
I haven't gotten a profit buy yet, huh? No, I haven't.
No. Every single one's been under 100x.
Come on. Oh, typical 3, man.
It.
I'm telling you, man, that's all I ever get here is 3. Come on, wake up, doghouse. Wake up.
It's gotta do something here. Need some houses, man.
Man, this is dead.
Come on, do it. Just do it one time. Show us the screen. Show us the screen.
Going with them threes.
Show us the screen.
3 or 2. Oh, 10s? No.
Need the pink dog.
Yeah, true.
Come on, take one time. One time all the way.
Oh, no way. You could have put him right there,
Dude,
dude.
just killing it today.
Dude.
Dude, absolute dead.
Alright, we're gonna end this off. This will probably be the last buy, but we're gonna go sticky here.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. If you ever come back here, dude, you gotta do that again with this game, but nothing but stickies. See which one's better. Cause that
I don't know, man.
that was brutal. I think sticky's the way.
Yeah, I mean,
I
maybe.
think sticky's the way. Even you got no 4 scatters, so maybe some are due.
Yeah, this one is just as bad.
Yeah. Yeah, that wild.
Alright, final conclusion. I think they're both horrible. Neither one is good. Stay away from this game, honestly.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's just not
It's probably a
good.
fair assumption.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it for today.
That was,
That's
dude, just
gambling.
every single buy.
Yeah, for sure. It was rough. But that's gambling, so can't win them all.
I
I'll
got-
see you in the next one.
Oh, man.
Leave a like and subscribe.